Hi everyone, check out the Zopeal 3-tier wood cupcake stand, a beautiful and sturdy bamboo serving tray perfect for any occasion. Crafted from natural bamboo, this stand offers durability and resists deformation while adding a rustic, vintage charm to your table. The square design features finely cut wood grains and a stylish black crown on top for a touch of elegance. With tier diameters of 12, 10, and 8 inches, it provides ample space to display cupcakes, desserts, fruits, and more. Assembly is quick and easy, and the stand can be disassembled for convenient storage. Ideal for weddings, tea parties, or farmhouse gatherings, it adds grace and functionality to any event. This versatile wooden tower is a must-have for stylish and practical dessert presentation. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.